Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. I just a couple hours ago killed the coconut crab off recording. And I actually am now on Space Oblivion for Spirit Bear quests. Ooh, and I did record me finishing the other one though, so I can put in that clip right there. So yeah, there was me finishing it, and now I'm on this one, which is so much easier. Look how much I've already done. I only got this yesterday, and like within under 24 hours, I've done all this amount. And yeah, I'm also trying to get the coconut canister, which I am very close to getting. I've got all the honey, I've got everything here except for I just need some more tropical drinks, because I have 121 tropical drinks. Oh, I should get those because I need those for my quest, the treat tokens. So yeah, can I get this again? Yes. So that gives me another 7 coconuts and also a coconut field boost, and also these sprouts give me a lot of coconuts, so I'm going to be using these. And also in this episode I'm going to be trying to complete Ultimate Annihilation 5, which if I show you in a second, I'm very close to finishing it as well. Any more coconuts? Oh, there's one all the way over there. And I didn't get to... Oh, there's one there. Yes. Okay. So if I go down here... There, I've done 412 out of 500 army ants. So if we go here, we can try to finish Ultimate Annihilation 5. Which, I've already got 10 or more ant passes. Put one there. And put one there. Maybe one in the middle. Oh. Yeah, there. And I just need a lot of army ants, which I literally never get. I never get any army ants. It's always like fire, normal, flying, and the big ones. So like every single type except for the army ants. Oh, there's some. And they're actually really easy to kill, so as long as I get a lot of them, we've got at least 10 tries. So hopefully that will get enough army ants. And we can also see if we can get a new high score on the ant challenge, because I've already got a supreme ant amulet, but I'd like to get a better one. I should have checked what my score is actually, but I don't know. Kill everything here. Ah, kill him. And oh, there's you coming there, and then the flying ones there. Okay, oh, giant ant there. Jump over it. The moon sprout, is it nighttime? Yeah, it is nighttime. More army ants, good. Kill all the army ants. Barely getting any actually. This might take a while. Oh, there's some more. No. Come on, I only got 418 and I had like 412 earlier. I only got 6. And that's only a diamond one, so that's way worse. Oh, now I've got to wait for my bees to wake up. But I should actually check my... you know what this thing is. What's it called? This blender, yeah. Check the blender and see. Oh, I'm close to finishing more tropical drinks. 3 minutes. 3.5 minutes. And I can make how many more? Because I don't want to go under 150, because I need 150. So I can make like 4 more on top of the however many are in there. So then I'll have a decent amount. So in this episode 149, I'm going to try to finish... I've already finished this Barrack Bear quest, and I'm going to try and finish Ultimate Annihilation 5 and maybe get the coconut canister, if I can. That might be a bit of a stretch though, but I'm going to at least try and get this. I think I can get another one, yeah. So we actually have 11 tries, or 10 more starting now. Okay. Oh, I was going to... check here. 175, wow, that's a lot. And baby love. And go. One there. And one on that side. 420, haha. So we need 80 more. Dang, this is going to be a long time to get them. I should be doing like all the... because this is going to be a really big episode. But I'm not even doing this for episode number 150, the big 150. I'm doing it for 149. Because I just want to get everything now. Because I really want the coconut canister. It's going to be really helpful. And I also want to finish this so that I get a star treat. Why can't I walk there? Fire ants. Feels way harder when I'm recording. It lags out a lot when I'm recording, which is really annoying. Army ants. Oh, there's like a lot of army ants right there. Wow, that's good. Yes, please. How many was that now? Oh, 436. That's really good. Okay. And it's just fire and normal ants. Oh, army ants, that's good. Yes, please. I want to get that there. Oh, the music stopped. It's going to restart. Christmas presents. There's no army ants though. I really want army ants, as you obviously know. No! It got... Really? I'm doing so much worse now that I'm actually recording. Well, while I'm waiting for my bees to wake up, I'll go and do this, because it's been over 3.5 minutes now, I think at least. So 12 seconds, okay. So we'll just wait here, and then we'll get 6 more, and we can also make 4 more after that. So, right there, and then, so we now have 127, and I'm pretty sure we can make 4 more without going under the limit. Yep, because I don't want to go to 147, because I need at least 150. And we can do 1 more sprout up here, because why not? And then we'll go back to doing more army ants. Oh, it's a rare sprout as well, that's nice. Also, I've got my planter here, because my plant is going to give me a lot of coconuts as well, which is good. Okay. And also tropical drinks. I would way rather have tropical drinks, because they are basically 10 coconuts plus also 2 oils and 2 enzymes. So yeah. Oh yeah, I've also got all this refreshing nectar and invigorating nectar. I've got 2 hours of that and basically 6 hours of that one. Did that just push it to 6 hours? No. Okay, oh, coin scatter, that's nice. And as soon as this pops, we can get all the hopefully tropical drinks, but probably just coconuts. Also, I need those inspire tokens from my gifted bees. There's a tropical drink there. Okay, coconuts all over here. Coconuts there. Okay. Oh, another tropical drink there and coconuts. Yes, we're getting so many. That's really good. Oh, another one there. And why not, we'll just do 1 more. It's only a small one, so we can do this pretty quickly. And get some more coconuts. Okay. Oh, gummy as well. Coconut there. Coconut there. And there. And we can leave now. Oh, yeah, okay. So now I have 172. And did that appear there? No. And 129, that's really good. Wait until all my bees are here, and boom. Ah, don't die to them immediately, that'd be such a waste. And then 1 there. And then go back to there. 439. Okay. Army ants, yes, thank you. Giant one, giant one. Still no army ants. Come on, more army ants, please. There's always so many of the other ones, and then I swear, as soon as I finish this quest, there's gonna be like 1,000 army ants every second. There's some. Also, gotta watch out for these stupid lawnmowers, because all these lawnmowers could kill me. Oh, also the stupid fire trail that the fire ants leave behind. And more there. Oh! I lagged out a bit when I got the notification. Just fire and giant. Oh, an army. 2 armies. Okay. I've got 453. Okay, that's really good. And use this thing. Oh, more. Yes, thank you. Oh no, another giant ant. A level 10. 458. 126 is my score right now, but that's not really that good, because I've gotten up to 175 before. And we've only got another, basically 2 minutes. Okay. Please, more. No, that's flying. I don't like the flying ones, they follow you. Well, the army ones do too, but at least I need the army ones. There's army. Kill, die. 459. I think that should go 460 now. Yep. I really don't care about any of these, because that's only a little bit, since my backpack doesn't even fill up when I'm in here. More giant ones. Why do you have to be here? Round 30? I don't care that it's round 30, I just need more army ants. And okay, that's good. I'm at least gonna get another amulet thing. Oh, a supreme amulet, but it's probably not gonna be better since I don't have a better score yet. No, I'm dead. Yep. Okay. Convert rate's worse, and we get move speed, and then instead of red and white, it's blue and red. But no, the red pollen's better, but then it goes. No, convert rate's really good, and I need to keep my old one. Okay. So now I've done 462. 129 of those and 172 of those. I should probably add to them so that I don't forget later. End crafting and then make more. I think I can make 3. How many could I have made? Oh wait, I can make way more than 3, and so I can make 6. Maybe 7. No, not 7. 5? Yes, 5. Okay, so there's 5 in there, and I've got 130, so I've got 135. We're so close. I might have to make this video in 2 days, so today, and also I'll have to film some tomorrow if I want to get this coconut canister, which I really do want to get, like really do. So let's go back over here. How do you get 533? It's ridiculous. And then even to get on the leaderboard is 520. Okay. Just give me a lot of army ants, please. Remember when you gave me like 10 in one go? Ah, why do you summon a honey storm? I don't want honey storm, they lag a lot. Giant ants, fire ants, no. It's lagging. There. Ow. 462. Army, yes, thank you. Oh, more army, yes, okay. Just don't die. I'd be really annoyed if I die. Ah. 470. We only need 30 more. Okay. Ah, no, don't want you. Army, yes, I do want you. So that's now 472. I only got 2 more. Come on. Flying? No thanks. Don't want you. Ah. Nope. Nope. Oh, army, yes. So close. Fire. Nope, 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 nope. Giant ants are not welcome here. Get off this property. There's that. 483. Yes, army ants. No. No, no. Okay, 486. That's definitely not better at all. So, now what? I guess I'll just do it at least one more time. I'm gonna go get this. And I'm pretty sure that I did this recently, but I'll check. And yep, 19 hours, okay. And I can check King Beetle as well. Okay, kill you guys. No extracts, that's sad. I would love some extracts right now. go in here. Oh, yes, you are here. I thought you wouldn't be, but okay. See what we get from you. Please give us a star treat. Oh, we got a... Okay, extracts, royal jellies, blueberries, moon charms, tickets, magic mead. Is this... No, that's worse. Okay, that is definitely worse. Definitely worse. And back to this thingy we go, the ant challenge. Woo, strawberry badge. I haven't checked my badges in a while. Quest one I'm close to, and that will give me more capacity. Ooh. Same with ability gives me capacity. That's good. Goo badge. Those ones are nowhere near. Spider, strawberry, and ice. Cactus. Oh, rose. Rose is really good. Is rose my best? Yeah, rose is my best, and then probably cactus. Okay. Here. Okay. Please give me more army ants. Anyways, off topic, but Wendy's chocolate frosties are really good. I went to Wendy's recently for like the second time ever, and chocolate frosties are so good. Yum. Just something to talk about while we're doing this. So yeah, if you are near a Frosties if you are near a Wendy's right now, you should go get a chocolate frosty because they are so good. And we are so close to finishing this, and also so nearly dead. Oh my god. I should be paying attention more instead of talking about Wendy's. No, come on. We needed 7 more. How did that... Okay, yeah, I don't need to be distracted. See, that's what I do. That's what happens when I start talking about other things. Wow, 70 billion. Why can't I have that right now? I've only got 27 billion. Am I the best person on the server? Yes, I am, definitely. I want to see how much it costs to get the demon mask. Okay, I'm dead. I probably won't get the demon mask, at least not soon. But I at least want to see how much it is worth. And it's right here behind the noob shop, so if we jump up here... Don't fall in the lava this time. Oh. And parkour over here. Jump, and glide. 5 billion is fine. It's just the ingredients. Because I've got stingers. How many stingers do I have? 606, and then red extracts 204. But I'm going to be using a lot of them for the canister. Enzyme 70, and then 100 glue. I've only got 52. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, this is all my stuff that I have right now. I spent like all of my royal jellies recently because I tried getting a mythic bee out of them, but that didn't happen, so I didn't get any. Jump back out here. Yes, more army ants. I saw at least one of them. 5 more, come on. So close. Literally so close. And I bet there won't even be 5 more when they spawn. There's gonna be like 4 probably. Or a 0 at all, which is lovely. Giant ant that I can jump over. Or not jump over. Okay, at least I didn't get hit. Where are the army ants? This is already round 13. Excuse me? Where are they? Round 15. We've had 3 giant ants already, because you get a giant ant every 5 levels. But there's none to be seen at all. They're just hiding from me as soon as I need 5 left. Ah, there they are. But that's only 2, I think. Yeah, that was only 2. 2? I don't want 2. I need more than 2. Need way more than 2. Jump back over there. This is probably going to be a longer video than usual because I'm going to finish this, and also I won't show all the progress of getting all the stupid coconuts and tropical drinks, but I will get the coconut canister in this video. So I'm guessing, oh, there's 3. That's perfect. We need 3. Kill all 3 and then don't die. Don't die. Yes! Ultimate Annihilation 5. There, it's all complete. I'm not gonna die though, because I still want to at least get good rewards. Of course there's another 2 army ants. Where were you earlier? I mean, I'm not gonna try to die, but like, I also really don't care if I die. And I'm really close to dying, so I should probably just die. I do want those treat tokens though. And let's just die. Boom. Okay, I'm just too strong. I didn't even die. Round 28. I guess we're just gonna keep playing, because we can maybe try and get a better amulet. Why is there 3 more army ants? As soon as I don't need you guys. Fire ants. Well, it doesn't even matter what ants I get, but I just need to... Oh, okay, there, I'm dead. Okay, 158, and worse. Yeah. Oh, the red pollen's better. It's just... I like convert rate, so keep hold. Anyways, look what we have for you, Mr. Panda Bear. Slide on down. Oh, nope, missed it completely. Kill this Rhinobeetle while we're down here. Gumdrops. And a natural born fighter, just like myself. The mountain is safe for now thanks to you and your bees. I'm proud of having you as a partner in defending our home. Here's my star treat. Yay. So now I don't have any more quests for him, but I do have now a star treat. So, who should we use it on though? Because I think I've got all of my gifted bees done already. At least I think I do. Yep. So it's probably going to be a mythic bee that I'm going to do it on. Oh yeah, it was fuzzy bee. Fuzzy bee gives like really good ones. See, it gives pollen haze. Oh, there's a what's fuzzy coat? Oh, that's a cool passive. But it's either that or like what's precise bees one do? Sniper. I don't really care about that. And then Vector bees, they do Mark Surge. I don't really care about that either. Yep, we're gonna do the fuzzy bee. Where's my star treat? There. And boop. Give star treat to the fuzzy bee. Yes, thank you. Now we have a gifted fuzzy bee mythic. This unkept ball of fluff is actually a bee. Its pollen aids in the its fur aids in the pollination of flowers. So now we have a gifted fuzzy bee. I'm gonna check on my crafting. Kill these guys. And come up here. Oh, I've got so many triangulates following me because I've got so many stupid vector bees. Why do I have so many? 8 more minutes, okay. So I'm gonna probably end this part of the video for now, and we'll be back when I have at least close to enough to getting the, you know, the coconut thingy, the coconut canister. So see you soon. Oh, see you soon. Okay guys, so I am back. It's still the same day. It's only like maybe it's not even it's not even an hour after I stopped recording the last part. And if you look here, we have 141, and I've got 7 crafting right now, so I need 1 more after that, but I don't want to stop the crafting yet because it's in the middle of crafting. And then after that we will finally have the coconut canister. Oh, I love my pollen haze. This is what it looks like, by the way, and it makes all these flowers so much bigger. Like, look at how bigger they are. Yay. Oh, I need the Inspire. Wait, do I need Inspire tokens? I think I looked at it, and yeah, I don't need any more Inspire tokens. I just need those top 4 things. Mountain, blue, or goo from mountain, and then pollen from blue, and pollen from pumpkin, and then white pollen. And if we go over to the thing right now, because I'm too lazy. I'm gonna speed it up with tickets if I can. How many tickets do I have even? Because I've got like a lot. I can easily use tickets. Yeah, I've got 677. Oh my god, I've got to go and get the Mondo Chick rewards because I don't want to miss out on a mythic egg. I am not missing out on a mythic egg. Mythic egg, please. Give me a mythic egg, please. That would make this video even better than it already is. Oh, that's a micro converter. It looked different to everything else, but it wasn't what I wanted. No, I don't want coin scatter at the same time, which means I'm probably going to get my own things instead of the Mondo Trick rewards. And I think everything here is just my stuff. Oh no, some of it is still Mondo Trick rewards. And that's pretty much it. So we can go over here now. Fly down here. And how much longer do we need? How much longer? I'm just gonna wait because it's really like hard. Because it's usually 5 minutes for one, and it's already halfway through one of them, so I don't want to waste a ticket when it's halfway through. So I'm gonna go to, I don't know, where should I go? Blue Flower probably. So I'll get a little bit more Blue Flower. Well, it's only just here earlier, but I still need a lot of Blue Flower. Blue Flower is the one that I've been lacking in, because I've only got 178 million, and I've got like way more in all the other ones. Come on, I literally just want to be over with this stupid quest. It's not even a quest. Well, this is a quest, but I just want the stupid coconut canister. Please, coconut canister. Coconut canister, please. Please. Okay, I think by now, hopefully, it will at least be like only 20 more seconds. So I'm gonna just walk over there. Yeah. And take the cannon. And boop. I said boop. Whee! All the way to the crafting area. And there. 22 seconds. Okay, so 20 seconds like I said. We can look around here. Wow, I've gotten all of these things already, and I'm not even wearing... Oh no, I'm wearing the blue and the cobalt and crimson guard. Still wearing those, but I don't need that, and I don't need that. Because I've got better things now. Come on, please. Yes! So I just need one more. Oh, I said one more. And I'm going to use a ticket. Boom. So now I should have, if you can see right here, one... Excuse me? I thought I would have enough. There! Now I have 150 tropical drinks, and I can go to the coconut area because the coconut crab is dead. Really, I started thinking of actually trying to get this like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I thought it would be impossible and I was going to have to do this for like months. But nope, I am walking into the coconut lair. And craft item, finally! Yes! And 3, 2, look at all of these go. All of these are going to go. Boom! And now all those are gone as well. But look at how much backpack space I have. Wait, I didn't even check to see how much I had earlier. Wait, well, I'll see you in the footage. But look, I now have the coconut canister. I'm gonna scream in chat because I want to. Yeah. Yay! And it looks so cool, and it has a little flashing lights, and if let's go to the stump field, because he's definitely going to be able to hurt me. Because I want to show off the ability that it has, where it makes a shield for me. So I think this might give me a lot of speed as well. Oh, maybe it was just my boosts, but yeah, this is a really good backpack to have. So if you come out here a little bit further, and then I step into you, And I should get that why didn't I get that thing? What? I thought I was supposed to have that what? Excuse me? Okay, I have to go and check what that thing is then. Is it like emergency coconut shield? Or apparently it did do it. Oh, maybe. Oh, I'm gonna guess since I got it, it has a countdown for 5 minutes since I got it, and it hasn't even hit it yet. So, because it is like, inspired coconuts and emergency coconut shield. Cooldown is 5 minutes, and I'm guessing the cooldown it starts 5 minutes from as soon as you buy it. But every 5th Inspire token gets 5 fallen coconuts, and then they do things. Yeah, they damage enemies, and they also convert my pollen into honey. Oh my god! I looked at my honey. No, I've got no honey now. That is so sad that I have no honey. But it's so amazing that I have the coconut canister. Yay! We did so much this episode. We finished a Spirit Bear quest, we finished Annihilation 5, and we got the coconut canister. Wow. All in 1 day, or 2 days, because I did the Spirit quest yesterday. But it's in this video, and yeah. Wait, there's... Oh, no, number 4. Where's number 5? I need another Inspire token. One last Inspire token. There! Please, no, I want to get in one. Oh, no. Rude. How rude. Coin scatter. I just want to use that one more time and actually step into it this time, because I didn't get to do that last time. Where are they though? I'm not getting any. Oh, there's my pollen haze thing though. Oh, there's another one. Oh, and there's a flame. And another one. Need 2 more, please. I'm saying please, you should give me it right now. And where are they? Oh, that thing was set off though, which was nice. There's 2 right there. Stand in them. There, yay, I showed it off and I got honey from the fallen coconut. So it's basically just like using a coconut. So it's 5 of these. It uses 5, or it doesn't use them out of my inventory, but it drops 5 coconuts down and hurts enemies and converts pollen. Fun. And then the other one I can show off in 12 seconds. So if I go over there now, it'll be ready by the time I'm over there. And I'm going to show it off a bit without it hurting me this time. So if I go in here, collect a little bit of blue pollen. Thank you very much. Oh, there's one of those things as well. And let's see it work this time. There we go. Oh, and it also does these as well, which is good. Okay, I don't actually know that it did that. Oh, I don't know how long this shield is for though. Let's check. Oh. It drops 5 fallen coconuts and it does 100% defense and times 1.25B attack for 10 seconds. So I think I'm going to end this video here because this has been an amazing episode. Wow, episode 149 is amazing. So now I have the coconut canister, and I have like a lot of other things as well. So I'm going to end this video here, right next to my hive, showing off all the amazing things I have. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. And I will see you guys in another video. So goodbye. Oh no, my screen went weird. Wait. Goodbye.